welcome to the channel CSK and IT subjects. Please subscribe the channel. Today's our topic is how to insert new nodes into circular linked list. In previous videos, we have seen about what is a circular linked list and how to create the nodes of the circular linked list and how to traverse the circular linked list. Now we are going to see how to insert the new nodes into circular linked list. We are in this video we'll see two possibilities of insertion of nodes. One is at beginning and another one is at required position here. First we'll say how to insert at beginning. This is a circular linked list. Now we'll see the algorithm to insert the new node at this position at the beginning of the circular linked list. What is the first step? Create a new node and assign some data to its data field and next field with null. That means create a new node. This is new node. Every node contains two parts. One is data part and another one is address part. So create that new node and insert data into that data field and next fill the next field with null. Okay. Now declare a temp node and assign with a head node address. Here it is head node and declare one temp node and assign head node address with the temp node. To the temp node, that means temp and head are both are pointing to the same nodes. Now the third step, move temp to temp of next until temp of next not equal to head. That means in the last node address part, again first node address is there. That's why we are calling it as a circular linked list. In the third step, move our temp to last node. Move our temp to here. Until where we have to move our temp? Until our temp of next not equal to head. Here temp of next is head. That's why we have to move our temp until here. Next, fourth step, now connect temp and new node. Now, previously this temp is connected to head node. Now, connect temp and new node. That means temp of next equal to new node. By using this step, temp of next equal to new node, connect temp and head node. Sorry, not head node, new node. Previously temp is connected to head node, now connect temp and new node. What is the next step? Now connect new node and head node. Previously new node next part is null. Now fill the new node next part with the head address now. That means new node of next equal to header. By this way we have to connect a new node and head node. Now what we have to do? We have to move our head to new node because this is the first node. That is the last step. Make new node as a head node. Head equal to new node. Now this will become our head node. Okay. See whether it is satisfying circular linked property or not. In circular linked list, last node address part contains the address of the head node. See here, this is the temp is the last node and it contains the address as head node address. This is how it is satisfying the circular linked list property. This is the algorithm to insert a node at the beginning. Now we'll see how to insert a node at the required position here. Okay. Let our position is n. Here, let us take n equal to 2 or 3. Let it be 3. N equal to 3. That means we have to insert our new node here. What is the first step in the algorithm? Read position into n and create a new node and place data into data field and null and the next field. That means create a new node. This is new node. And create data, insert data into data field and null in the next field. And traverse to n minus 1th node and make a pointer temp pointing to the n minus 1th node. Suppose if we want to insert that third position, now traverse to the n minus 1th node. That means if I want to insert at the third position, traverse until second position and make a pointer temp pointing to this n minus 1th node. Okay. Read, if my position is n, traverse until n minus 1th node and place a pointer temp there. Now, what you have to do? Now, connect a new node and a temp next node. Okay. Connect these two new node and the node that is next to temp. How to connect these two nodes? Now new node next part is null. Now fill the new node next part with the temp next address. That means make a link like this. Okay. For this step, how to connect new node and temp of next node? New node of next equal to temp of next. Okay. Next. Now connect a temp node and new node. Previously temp node connected to temp of next node. Now we are placing a new node between temp node and temp of next node. So we have to connect a temp and new node. How to connect temp of next equal to new node? Temp of next equal to new node. This is how to insert a new node at a required position in a circular linked list. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends.